everyone, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time opening our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe because we'll be sharing daily Excel tips and data analytics resources often. Today, we'll be talking about one powerful tool in Excel. And have you ever looked at a boring Excel sheet and wished it could talk to you? Today, I'm showing you how to bring your data to life using conditional formatting, a tool that adds color, highlight trends, and make decisions faster. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this is a game changer for you. So in Excel, conditional formatting changes the appearance of cell based on specific criteria, allowing you to highlight data, identify patterns, and make your spreadsheet more visually appealing. Like I said earlier, it works by applying formatting like colors, icon, or data bars to cells that meet certain criteria. So let's dive in and let me show you how to use the conditional formatting. First of all, you select the range of cell where you want to apply your conditional formatting. So after choosing the cell you want to apply this conditional formatting to, you go to your home tab you go to your home tab on the Excel ribbon, click on this home tab, then you locate the style group. This is your style group. Next, select conditional formatting. This dialog box comes out, which shows highlight cell rows, bottom rows, data bars, colors, and icons. So we're going to talk about few of all these icons in this video. Then you can go and practice more and check for more rules. So let's start with the allied cell rules. So in this data, we have list of students with their grades. So you can make a rule that any student who score above 80 should have a green field with a dark green text. So you see, once you see everywhere selected with a green cell, definitely their score is above 80. So you set the rules. Any rules you set, that is how your cell is going to look like. So you can also set another rule that any student less than, let's say, 50 should be highlighted with, let's say, a light red. Let's use red for those below 50. So it shows just one student scored below 50. So you can see how the conditional formatting works. Like the definition says, you set rules based on specific criteria. So next, let's select our data. We can also use this icon set. This icon set automatically help you to automatically gives rule to your data. So Excel has already given us rule already based on this data we have. So any icon, okay, let's choose this. Any icon you want to choose. So see, it's changing. So let's choose this. So this icon is showing highest, middle, the medium, and the lowest, the average score, the highest score, and the lowest score. So Excel has automatically helped us to group these grades. So it's showing that, like unit 1, quiz 1 is showing that from 86 to 100 is our highest score, while 77, 75, 70 is the average score, and anything below this is the lowest score. So let's try to sort this data. I think this one is sorted already. Let's try to sort this data and see how, let's say, largest to smallest. So you can see for these are the highest score for unit 1, for unit 1 test. These are the highest score, these are the average score. So we don't have any lowest score for unit 1. So can you see how this conditional formatting is bringing out meaningful insights from these raw numbers we had initially? You're just looking at it as a raw number, you don't know what to do with it. But with conditional formatting, you can now see that, okay, yes, these are the highest scores, these are the average scores, and these are the lowest scores. You can also make use of data bars. I like to say your range of cell, come to the home, conditional formatting, our data bars. So they're different. So let's go with this. So I've applied another conditional formatting rules to this data. So you can see for this 100, we have a full data bar. For 97, can you see? So it depends on the score at which the bars are longer. So you can see for this, you can see where the bar stops. So if you notice, we've applied so many conditional formatting rules on this particular data. So for you to remove the conditional formatting so you don't get confused, you highlight the cell, the range of cell, go to your home tab, locate your conditional formatting, and come to this manage rules. Once you click on manage rules, you can see in this dialog box, you can see the rules that we've applied on this particular data set. You can see we've applied data bars, we've applied icon sets, we've applied cell rules, cell values, this less than 50, this greater than 80. So these are the conditional formatting rules we've applied to this data set. So for you to remove it, so you don't get confused with your data, you just click on anyone you want to remove. Let's say we want to remove this and this. You come to delete rule. You can see delete rules. Once you click on apply and OK, you can see we have just two conditions left, the conditional formatting rules left. That is the icon set and the data bars. So you can see the data bars clearly. So for this, let's sort it largest to smallest. If you don't know how to sort, you can check our previous video where we talked about sorting, subtotal, and grouping, for you to be able to sort data well. You can check our previous video. If you've gotten to this stage of this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the bell button for more Excel tips. So you can see rules. So this is how the conditional formatting works. So if you want to remove all the rules, you come to this manage rules, click on the delete, apply, OK. So you can see we have our data, our initial data. So I hope you love this video. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more data tips every day. You can check our short videos for everyday tips on Excel tips and tricks. But for our videos, we post every week. So if you got some questions or you want to cover some specific topic, drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to join our community at the Data Tribe Global. We grow together, one insight at a time. So see you in the next video.